Yo, 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 Zedrex is in the house, and today is Friday. Friday means is another episode. Another episode of what pisses me off. In the last episode, we were basically, what pisses me off. And it was friend zoning. Basically, if anyone watched the video, basically, do you hate it when people just, when you fall in love with someone, or you start to have a crush on them, and then all of a sudden they just want to be your friend. Yeah, that's what it is. Today in this episode we're talking about spoilers. By that I mean when people just ruin the film. That's spoilers. What annoys me is, why do people actually do it in the first place? Literally, if somebody just walks up to you right now and be like, oh, guess what, I saw the end game, and you haven't, what do you think they're going to do? They'll be like, oh, such and such dies, or such and such survives, or whatever. Obviously, I haven't seen Endgame myself personally, but I really want to. And I bet everyone else has probably seen it as they're watching this video right now. But I just don't get it why people actually do it. I know some people are going to be like, oh, I just want to do it because it's fun. It's not fun for everyone else. When my mate ruined it for me, I felt traumatized, depressed. But I really did want to see it. But obviously, being me, I've got no girlfriend and I've hardly got many friends. And going by yourself's not really a great idea. But it's just how would you like it if I ruined a really good film for you? Let's say, for example, Titanic. Okay? Let's just say Jack dies in the Titanic. And how would you feel if I just spoiled it for you? Would you feel sad? Would you feel angry? Or would you feel upset? I don't get it why people actually do it in the first place, because, in all honesty, they're just a bunch of knobheads and dickheads who do it. But, hey ho, don't shoot the messenger or anything, but this is what I just think in my mind. Anyway guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe to Zedrex, and I'll see you in the next video.